Hello, little stars. Welcome to our super fun week of colors. Today is Sunday, and you know what that means? It's Blue Day. Look at this. This is the color blue. Isn't it beautiful? Blue is everywhere. It's like the big, bright sky above us. And it's just like the deep, splashy ocean where the fish swim all day. What else is blue? Oh, I see a bouncy blue balloon floating by. Yum, yum, yum! Look at these tiny, round blueberries. They're so sweet and delicious. Let's count them together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 yummy blueberries. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Say hello to our new friend, Bella the bluebird. Bella loves to sing happy songs and fly high, high, high up in the big blue sky, leaving sparkly trails behind her. Wow, what an amazing job today. We found so many blue things. We learned about the color blue, counted 3 blueberries, and met a beautiful blue bird. You did great. Thanks for learning with me. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for another color adventure. Bye-bye.